Hi, I'm Kurt Bosshardt. Today I'm in St. Thomas in the beautiful U.S. Virgin Islands aboard the motor yacht C-Class. This yacht was built by the Christensen shipyards in the Pacific Northwest, which is also the home of Delta and Westport. It's considered a pedigree yard with good craftsmanship, well-produced, well-built yacht. This boat at 155 feet is the most perfect boat for these idyllic islands, St. Thomas, St. Croix, and the surrounding islands, for an unforgettable experience. Two of my favorite aesthetic features on the boat are her large, almost floor-to-ceiling windows wrapping the entire upper deck, as well as the flared bow forward. She's a fabulous charter boat because she has a wonderful, broad upstairs sun deck with sun pad, jacuzzi. She also has a downstairs sky lounge with a beautiful movie bar. The main deck features a beautiful salon and your formal dining. On board, we have 6 guest staterooms, starting with the master stateroom on the main deck all the way forward. Just after that is a small VIP stateroom, and then downstairs 4 more staterooms, 1 VIP and 3 more flexible twins. The first area we're going to take a look at today is the sun deck. Look at the vast expanse, starting forward with nice cafe-style seating for breakfast, a beautiful sun pad for lounging, and then immediately after the sun pad, covered in the shade, is a lounge seating with 2 club chairs, followed by a jacuzzi tub. The jacuzzi sits 4 with jets and a bar to the left. It ties in well with the aft deck, the aft tender deck, and once they are all in the water, it allows for expansive lounge and sunbathing seating area. Now let's head down a level. We're going to check out the bridge deck aft. This is the place where most of the meals and all of your al fresco dining takes place. It's currently set up for 12, which would pair with the number of cabins and guests we're able to host. All of the seating surrounds a varnished teak table with a beautiful star inlay covered by a hard top providing shade. Found on both sides of the Sky Lounge are side decks that lead all the way forward. Really helpful for crew tying off fenders coming into a slip. Also on the starboard side, you have a second access up to the sun deck. We just stepped into the Sky Lounge on the bridge deck aft, and you'll notice immediately to starboard is a 4-seat game table. To port, an L-shaped bar with cocktail mixers. Forward of the bar, we have a comfy settee, which seats 8, big screen TV for movie nights, and to starboard, a big lounge chair. One of the most distinctive features of all Christensen motor yachts are the very large Sky Lounge windows. They're near floor-to-ceiling windows and let in more than enough light. We're entering the lounge deck foyer, where we have a staircase down to the main deck, a little farther forward, a day head to port, and just beyond, the wheelhouse. We've now entered the wheelhouse with a chart table to starboard, 3 pilot chairs. The electronics include 2 x0 chart plotters, 2 radar, bow thruster, and controls to the Deutz motors in the engine room. Just aft of the pilot chairs is an elevated settee for guests watching the yacht while underway. And then to port and aft, we step into the captain's stateroom. Leaving the captain's stateroom, I want to show you the foredeck, which is accessed by doors either to port or starboard. You'll notice the wing stations on either side and a Portuguese bow forward, followed by a companionway down to a lower deck with 4 jet skis. It's clear that when Dave Christensen set out to build yachts, he had a complete vision of what the yachts would be. They're built all of fiberglass, latest in contemporary electronics, stunning design, and a fantastic tank-tested naval architect designed hull, offering a smooth experience both at sea and at anchor. The stern on the C-Class is your access point to the water. We have stanchions normally set up here. We have them removed because the tender ties up back here. We also have access to the engine room and control room. And to my right here is a large inflatable beach club that floats off the back of the yacht. This boat carries a lot of toys, so we need a large lazarette to store them. Down here, plenty of storage for that inflatable beach club, dive tanks, and other assorted water toys. Forward of here to the starboard side is your engineer's control room. Directly opposite that to port is the workbench. Forward of this, we step into the engine room, featuring two Deutz, which are German-built engines, completely rebuilt and with only 500 hours since major overhaul. We also have two generators, each capable of running all of the ship's systems, which includes hydraulic zero-speed stabilizers and a hydraulic bow thruster. Our next stop is the main deck aft. Similar to the Sky Lounge above, down here we have a fully covered and shaded lounge area, seating 10 comfortably with 2 cocktail tables. Forward to port, we have an L-shaped bar with refrigeration and ice maker. To starboard, another counter area with storage for supplies. On this main deck, we have side decks as well. To starboard, it leads forward to a formal entry into the foyer. To port, all the way forward, we have access to the galley and then another entrance for the crew. That's where we're headed next. The crew area on C-Class is very generous and spacious. This area is split. To starboard is a dining area with kitchenette and ship's monitoring station. To port is a comfortable lounge area with television. It also features 4 double crew cabins, all with their own bathrooms. 2 other features which are important here is the laundry area to the port side and a large walk-in refrigerator freezer to starboard. Another thing I have to point out about the crew area is this watertight bulkhead door, which leads to a service access hallway so that the crew can service guest cabins while guests are above having breakfast. You've now entered the most formal space on the yacht through double glass sliding hydraulic doors to a beautiful lounge area seating 10 comfortably. You have 4 opposing club chairs, a sofa facing forward seating 4. This brings us to the formal dining, which you can see is set up for 12. I had lunch here today at anchor in the bay, and with these large floor-to-ceiling windows, we could see a spectacular view of downtown St. Thomas. Just forward of the formal dining room, we enter the main deck foyer. To our left are stairs that lead down to the guest cabins, another set of stairs that go up to the Sky Lounge, and just to my left, a door that leads to the galley. Stepping into the galley, the first thing you'll notice is it is a very large area with, again, a big window for the chef. Most notably is a huge center island, which if you think about it, to plate up 12 guests for dinner, you need space. Stepping forward to the galley, just to port, we have a small but very comfortable and well-appointed VIP stateroom. The VIP has a queen bunk. It also has an ensuite with a stand-up shower, bathroom, and again is well-appointed for guests as well as overflow crew. Moving forward from the on-deck VIP, we have a guest head to port. And then at the end of the main deck foyer is the master stateroom. Stepping into the owner's suite, the first thing you'll notice is the signature big oval windows that allow ample light into the cabin. This space is huge. It runs the full beam of the yacht with a centerline king bed. It offers any amenity and every amenity, whether you're the owner or the primary charter guest. Everything in this suite is centered around the king-size bed. At the foot of the bed is a large screen TV, a beautiful credenza desk and lounge chair to port. On the forward end of this is the ensuite. In 2023, C-Class went into the yard, and this is the focal point of the work that was done in the yard. Most notably, the room was lightened up with a lot of white marble, including this beautiful sink area with a double for his and her. This deep tub was newly installed. And personally, I think owners will love this separate vanity area with television, ample storage, mirrors, really separate from the main suite. The only spaces on board left to look at are the lower cabins, and let's head there now. This leads us to the lower foyer of the guest accommodations on the yacht. Immediately to starboard aft, we have the VIP guest cabin. Let's take a look. The VIP stateroom features a queen bed, floor-to-ceiling wardrobe, a television, and an ensuite bathroom. Immediately to port aft is another large stateroom with twin beds. It's got a beautiful bookcase. We have a credenza, seating area, television, wardrobe, and some really nice fabric and artwork on the walls. The fabric helps it keep surprisingly quiet back here. Stepping forward to starboard brings us to another twin stateroom. What I love about all these rooms and the foyer down here is the huge headroom. Also these large portholes in all the rooms, which consistently allow a lot of lighting. Heading to our final stop on today's walkthrough, across the hall brings us to the third twin flexible stateroom. Wardrobe, a television, credenza, and an ensuite bathroom. Thank you for joining me today on the Motor Yacht C-Class, the 155-foot Christensen that we just took a look at. If you have any questions or would like to see the yacht, please give me a phone call. Thank you.